your anger over breath. I'm not of those who had gone astray.
Thank you, Fida. Pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I request Bismil to lead us with the pledge. Let's all stand up for pledge.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Bismil. New morning is a new beginning and a new hope. A new positive can change our life. So to bright our morning assembly, I invite Nasil Tian for thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Nasil Tien. Today's thought, determination. Determination is an act of coming to a decision or fixing or settling a purpose. Determination occurs prior to goal achievement and serves to motivate behavior that will help achieve one's goal. Since life is never smooth, many of us fall off when we come across problems. But with determination, we can overcome any type of problems in our life. Franklin Roosevelt says that if we attack our problem with determination, we succeed. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Nasil. Determination is the wake-up call to the human will. All depends on how determined we are to be successful. Determination leads you a long way. Let's invite Hala Afrin to talk a small speech about determination.
Respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends, today I am here to speak a few words on determination. A determined people never start their work from tomorrow, but they start it from today itself. Determination is a making your mind to achieve something without any diversion of mind. Willpower and determination is very important to be successful in life. In life is no difficulty which we cannot overcome when we are really determined. To be truly determined, a person must first be passionate about what they are doing. Thank you.
Thank you, Hala. To update ourselves every day shows our awareness towards our society. News make us to understand what is happening around the world. So I request Aisha Mahrin for news reading.
Good morning, all. I am Aisha Mahari. Today I am present latest news headlines. Kerala lifts night curfew. Sunday lockdown college to reopen from October 4. The decision was taken after a review meeting to assess the prevailing COVID-19 situation in the state. Over 17 crore COVID vaccine doses administered in India. So far, 10 crore shot in 13 days. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia took Twitter to congratulate on health works for achievement in milestone. Sports. India versus England for test. Day 5. Highlights. India crushed England by 157 runs to take 2-1 lead in 5-match series. Mourinho makes light of new Serie A record. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Aisha. And now I would call Aisha Anwar for sing a poem.
Good morning to one and all. Today I am standing in front of you to recite a poem, The Moon, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. The moon has a face like clock in the hall. She shines on thieves on the garden wall. On streets and fields are harbor quays, and birdies asleep in the fork of the tree. The squalling cat and the squeaking mouse, the howling dog by the door of the house, the bird that lies in bed at noon, all love to be out by the light of the moon. But all the things that belong to the day cuddle to sleep to be out of our way. And flowers and children close their eyes till up the morning sun shall arise. Thank you.
Thank you, Aisha, for such a nice poem. Then I invite our principal Saf for share some valuable words and guides.
Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, sir.
With all energy, you are here in the early morning. So I think the students who are standing still, they can sit. So dear children, today's theme of the assembly is determination. So the whole assembly is based on the topic determination. As you all know that determination is the key to success. If you are determined to do something, you will definitely achieve it. Well, irrespective of your background, your economic status, your community base and all, if from the heart, if you are determined to do something, you will definitely succeed. So I am appreciating class 7 children for selecting this topic, and for examination I wanted to say that you must be determined. In your mind itself, you need to take a pledge for the coming first term examination. I will score very high mark. I will be very honest during studies. Whenever there are any doubts, I will clear it with my teachers. So determined mind, it is always end with an achievement. In the morning, for determination, a determined child who will be shaping their life to meet the challenges you are facing every day. As we say, every day is a new beginning. We'll be facing different challenges as well. So as a student, you are facing different problems day by day, especially at the point of this global pandemic. When we are attending the classes through online at home, different stress and all you need to overcome. So it can be different for different days. You might not seeing your friends. It's a kind of stress. You cannot come to the school, another stress. You have so many things in spite of sitting at home, many things to learn. You have 3 periods per day, classes per day, all that you need to learn very well. So that can be another stress. So you need to manage your stress, tensions with a determined mind. For that, you all need to set a goal. What is your ambition in the life? When somebody asks your teacher during very often during the classes, I hear that your teachers are asking, what you want to become? So you might say, I wanted to be a doctor, an engineer, or teacher, or and so and so. So to achieve that, you need a determined mind. And every day's routines you need to set accordingly. So if you are looking forward for becoming a doctor, without attending the entrance examination, you cannot. So the preparations must start from the day you determine to become a doctor. So a very disciplined work, a day-to-day work will help you to fulfill your determination. So dear children, I wanted to congratulate grade 7 children for conducting such a nice assembly today. And the coming days also, I expect each and every one of you will come forward with different programs during your morning assembly, and you will enjoy the beginning of the day. So I'm sure, quite sure that each and every student who attended today's morning assembly, they will be charged in the morning itself. So throughout the day, this is going to be an energy, an added stimuli into your life. So I greet everyone. May this day give you a chance to change, a chance to achieve your determination. Thank you, dear children. Have a beautiful day.
Today's morning assembly ends here. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.